Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm gonna give you the Vavada promo code tutorial. So in order to do it, you first need to open your web browser. You can do it in your PC or in your mobile device, and here in the search bar of it, you just have to search for Vavada promo code. Once done, you will be able to see a bunch of different websites that could help you in providing the latest and working Vavada promo codes. So you just have to simply select any of these, but for this video, let's say I am interested in the forestsummit.am website. So you just have to simply open it in a new tab, and here it will show you all of the promo codes that are currently working in September 2024. So you just have to simply scroll down on this page, and this is the coupon code that they are currently providing, and it doesn't expire. So you just have to simply click on the copy in order to copy this code from here, and after that you just have to go to the official website of Vavada, where you just have to put this promo code in order to get the best discount possible. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much for watching.